Hey, what's up, everybody? Mike Lovelace with Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue and Outdoor Cooking. And today we have a favorite in the Carolinas, and that is a Cheerwine barbecue sauce. There's one other company that makes this for sale. I think you buy it off Amazon, but we did a spin on it and tried our own take on it. What we did was took our classic Western North Carolina barbecue sauce, took the vinegar out of it, added the Cheerwine in, and it tasted really darn good. I'm gonna tell you. Please check out this video. We show you how to make it, and then at the very end we put the list of all the ingredients that you would need for it. And we added quite a bit of pepper in it, so you may want to back off on the pepper if you think it's too hot for your liking. But please check out this video, and please like and subscribe to our channel, Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue. We just pulled off of Lovey's Fat Life and going to do a solely cooking channel with outdoor cooking, a lot of smoking meat, a lot of recipes. But thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and you have a blessed one. Thank you. All right, so here are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some black pepper, kosher salt, ketchup, mustard, Cheerwine, and then you got to have some molasses. You can also use pancake syrup with that as well, or honey, some cayenne pepper, and some brown sugar. As I mentioned earlier, the list of ingredients are at the very end of this video. But of course, the main thing you're going to put in here is your Cheerwine. You're going to go with a cup of that, and then a cup of ketchup, and the rest of it is pretty much the seasoning and the sugars. But again, at the very end of this video, we will have a list for you, so don't worry about that. All right, we're adding our tablespoon of mustard. We already added 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now we're doing a tablespoon of molasses. Again, you can use honey. Your local honey is great for this, or you can use some pancake syrup. Then we got a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then we're going to add we did a whole tablespoon of pepper, which is going to make it have a little bit of heat to it. You can back it down to a teaspoon, and I'm telling you, this is some good stuff. All right, so we added a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And then we're going to grab your whisk, and we're going to whisk this up really, really good. Make sure it's all mixed up. And we're going to bring this to a boil about medium heat. It's already turned on right now. And once it comes to a boil real good, and again, you want to make sure you're constantly stirring this so that you don't scorch the bottom, with the syrup or the ketchup. You don't want it to burn, so you want to constantly be stirring this. And then you can see the pepper in here. I mean, it's just a really good taste of this. All right, you want to continue to stir this so it doesn't scorch, and then once it comes to a boil, you want to go ahead and turn the heat off and set it over to the side, and then once it cools down, go ahead and pour it into the container you're going to use. We're going to try this Cheerwine barbecue sauce. And try it out and see what it tastes like. You can get just a hint of the Cheerwine on it. Not a very strong cherry taste to it. If you wanted something stronger, use like maybe a Coke, cherry Coke or cherry Pepsi. And there's a little bit of heat on this one. It's got a full tablespoon of pepper in it. So if you want to start out maybe just with a teaspoon first with pepper on it, I think it's really good. What do you think, Michelle?
I like the heat.
It's definitely got some heat with that tablespoon and a little bit of cayenne too, but try this one out. We're going to put it on a barbecue pork sandwich right now that was injected with Cheerwine and spritz with Cheerwine with a cherry smoke bomb seasoning from Michael Dink Ferris and Dink's Rub and Seasoning. Let's put it on a sandwich and try this out. I'm going to tell you, this thing tasted as good as it looks. Great on pulled pork. You got to try this one out. All right, let's go over the list here. For this Cheerwine barbecue sauce, you're going to have 1 cup of Cheerwine, 1 cup of ketchup, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of molasses. You can substitute pancake syrup or honey if you wanted to, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper or crushed pepper, and then we use in this video 1 tablespoon of pepper, which is going to make it kind of medium to hot. So if you want less heat, just go with 1 teaspoon, and then you can add to it to your liking. But check this out, try it out, see what you think about it. The longer this sits, the better it is. I made this a day before we ate the pulled pork, and I can tell you from my personal experience from other barbecue sauces, the longer it sits, if you can make it a week out in advance, it would probably even be better. Thank you guys again. Please like and subscribe to Carolina Blue Smoke Barbecue. This is one of our first videos out. We got many more coming your way. Thank you, and you guys have a blessed day.